The sound How is the sound pronounced?
It is pronounced
Can you say
Very good. The sound has one spelling variant, A. Now let's take a look at some examples of the sound
Sin, cinema, way.
away.
The sound is voiced, meaning your vocal cords vibrate when producing the sound. Your tongue stays in the middle part of your mouth when pronouncing the sound Arrow 1 points to the vocal cords, and arrow 2 points to the tongue. This sentence contains many examples of the common English sound
Susan went to the cinema to watch the movie Away.
Quick recap time.
The sound has one spelling variant and appears in a few words.
It is pronounced and is a very common sound in the English language.
Words like cinema and away all include the sound